Welcome to our YouTube tutorial, and please stay tuned with this video to understand the Tableau. Tableau is now a popular tool. We'll begin with the weight of understanding about business intelligence. What precisely it is, because I don't recall whether in a prior iteration we have I've gone through this notion, so we are already providing a demonstration of the BI tools. Therefore it is best that we grasp what business intelligence is. To put it simply, business intelligence is an area where we provide your data or any data solution to any client that comes to us looking for a solution connected to business decision making. So business intelligence enters the pipeline, and we provide comprehensive data solutions beginning with data transfer from any storage and leveling the data warehouse. Data may be used to acquire the inside scope on any unclear business query or analysis that we have saved in our data warehouse. So, after we finish the data pipeline, there is a final stage in which the business user's queries are addressed. And those questions must be answered using the data we have in a data warehouse. When discussing the entire process, you must collect data from any source. Whereas customer service, we have a data engineer to handle this particular task. So, after your data is in your data warehouse, what do we have to do when your data engineering is complete? We now have a variety of BI products on the market, one of which is Microsoft Power BI, and we've seen customers use these tools based on their needs. All of the tools will have distinct features and costs. If they do not have any such requirements, they can use FreeSource Studio as a pure BI tool. Tableau allows you to examine your data in order to exploit the information held in a data warehouse, and answer the majority of the questions that a business person will ask in a way that does not jeopardize the security of your data. In terms of data visualization, it should be visually appealing, and it will take some time to comprehend the possibilities and processes of performance. In terms of performance, Tableau currently dominates the market. Visual analytics and dragging and dropping for functionality are still on the market. So we can say that it is one of the greatest tools for allowing business users to perform analysis without coding. For example, if you have all of the columns listed someplace, you can just drag and drop them into the interface to get a visual representation of the same time. The following are the primary features of Tableau. As previously said, there are various multifunctional tools on the market, but what distinguishes one vehicle from the others is its distinctive characteristic. When we integrate any of the BI tools, we have some form of connection to the data warehouse. So, if you wear anything and slice your data on any dashboard, the query is run on the data warehouse to which you are linked, resulting in some performance lag. The performance of any BI tool is a critical component in determining which one we should use right. Now, in terms of performance, for example, if you're developing anything, it won't take long for visuals to show. Alternatively, it will maintain buffering so you don't have to rely only on your data. It is available on the server itself. If you want to store the data in the behind environment, it provides several options to do that. You can combine various datasets in the same context. If you have two separate data sources and want to combine the data in the behind the exams, then Tableau allows you to combine data from several sources, including SAP, BigQuery, and Redshift. There are no restrictions on the architecture of the information. This type of architecture allows just you to install Tableau. We do not have any infrastructure or technology in front of a corporation. A Tableau is compatible with any type of infrastructure that allows for real-time collaboration. Once your report is published, it may be hosted online or on a public server. In real time, numerous users can access the dashboard and slice and dice the consolidated data. I mentioned that we have one product called Tableau, which is commonly utilized by many major organizations. Your data is also kept in this environment. So I have a date and 3 separate reports that store that data in the show and leverage it for you, which is a fundamental function of Tableau. Please like, share, and comment on this video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.